we'll guide you through how to use Asana with Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. You'll need to install the Asana for Gmail add-on, so in the search bar, type Asana for Gmail, and when you find it, click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. This will integrate Asana directly into your Gmail. Next, open Gmail, and you'll notice a new Asana icon on the right-hand sidebar. Click on it to open the Asana panel. You might need to log into your Asana account if you haven't already done so. Now, here's the cool part. When you receive an email that you want to turn into a task, just open that email, and with the Asana panel open, you'll see an option to Create Task. Click that, and a task creation window will pop up. You can edit the task name, assign it to yourself or a team member, set a due date, and even add it to a specific project if you want. Once you've filled in the necessary details, hit Create Task, and voila, your email is now a task in Asana. This is super handy for keeping track of emails that require action without having to switch back and forth between platforms. It keeps your workflow smooth and organized. If you want to view all your tasks, you can click on View in Asana at the bottom of the Asana panel, which will take you straight to the Asana website where you can see the task you just created along with all your other tasks. This integration really helps streamline your productivity by ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.